Hey, Etta,
Hmm?
tell me something.
What?
Enjoying
Unicorn
camping?
Dad. Yes. Unicorn Dad.
Enjoying camping?
Yes.
Ronnie, what do you like most about camping?
It's good.
Huh?
It made me good and you like riding around.
Riding around?
Yeah, walking. Take the dog for a walk. See all the people camping around. That's what I like.
What?
Are you the new keeper?
Sorry?
Are you the new keeper? You have to know everything.
I have to know everything.
No,
What
you
do you
don't.
like about camping, Ali Dum Dum?
I'm done.
Hmm?
I like the food.
The food?
Yes.
What, is the food better here than at home?
No, but it's better than eat microwave food. That we always do when we're not there.
Oh. What are we eating now then?
Microwave.
Oh.
You eat that, not me.
Renee? Do you like your new bike?
Yes.
Have you been going really, really fast?
Yeah. And haven't even crashed.
Oh. Okay, well, say hello, Mummy.
Bye.
Say hello, Mummy.
Hello. Bye.
Say hello to your mum.
Say hello. Hello. Is it so hard?
How about with a smile on your face?
Watch.
Say hello, Mummy, with a big smile on your face. Come on, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
What?
Hello, Mummy, with a big smile on your face.
Hello, Mommy.
It's a bit better.